Brad, good morning. So may itatanong lang ako dahil na-curious ako dahil may mga taong may maniniwala sa Diyos at mayroon ding taong hindi naniwala sa Diyos. So, unang tanong, what is your definition of God?
There are two concepts about God to be defined. One is personal God, that is worshipped by the theist, and the other is impersonal God that does not need worship. And I and as an atheist uphold this concept impersonal God. In the definition of the theist about God is supreme being, and that cannot be demonstrated. They cannot define their God. But the atheists, their God is all things plus nothing, meaning the universe, the total or the sum of matter and energy is God, and that does not need worship, and that is upheld by atheists. And that definition can be demonstrated.
So, why there is God of the theist?
That is the idea of the people during the time of, especially in the Bible times. Stephen Hawking gives the answer. It is the ignorance of our ancestors that created many gods. Therefore, their God, although unknown, they attempt to define it, but they cannot hit the definition.
So, how about God of the atheist?
The God of deities can be demonstrated, and that is the total of uh, matter and energy. All things plus nothing, including our thinking.
So, when did the atheist exist?
It is uh, has been existing since the time of the Cro-Magnon mean. The Homo sapiens, we we are the species of Homo sapiens, had invented God about 60,000 BCE. Before the Homo sapiens invented God, all men were atheists. That is why the gods that they invented were also atheistic gods, because that was their invention, the invention of the atheist. So we can say today that gods, their gods worship the personal God, the personal gods of the atheists are atheists, because the inventors were atheists.
Okay, thank you.